Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
1 is for one sun shining bright. 2 is for two birds taking flight. 3 is for three trees standing tall. 4 is for four balls to bounce and call. 5 is for 5 stars in the sky. 6 is for 6 bees buzzing by. 7 is for 7 seas so wide. 8 is for 8 bikes we ride. 9 is for 9 kites flying high. 10 is for 10 clouds in the sky. 11 is for 11 flowers in bloom. 12 is for 12 spoons in the room. 13 is for 13 ducks by the lake. 14 is for 14 candles on the cake. 15 is for 15 books on the shelf. 16 is for 16 toys by myself. 17 is for 17 fish in a stream. 18 is for 18 dreams to dream. 19 is for 19 crayons to draw. 20 is for 20 leaves that fall.
Thanks for watching my videos.